and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyar Kolando and I am your favorite Kenyan YouTuber. In today's video, I want to be showing you guys how I'm going to take my hair from matted hair, and I've had it like this for 2 weeks. I know it's matted in here. Forget about what you see on the outside. It's a hot mess in the inside, so I'm just going to remove these. And as I do that, kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, if you're new here, and also again make sure you click on the bell icon so you don't miss any notification whenever I will upload a new video. Also make sure you like the video and do leave a comment in the comment section. Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know whatever you think about this video. Guys, I can already feel my hair so very matted. Let me show you what I mean, guys. See that? I don't know if you can see it properly, but this is it. I'm even scared for myself. See, I already see some breakage. I think it was a bad idea to leave my hair like this for 2 weeks. I didn't moisturize or do anything, so anyways, this is what we have. So guys, see that? And it's so dirty, so dry. See all that. Guys, can you see this? See all these. My hair is just a hot mess, guys. I'm not even kidding. Oh, this will be a long one. See this. See this mess. See the scalp. I don't know if you can really see the scalp well, but it's so dry and my hair is so itchy. I'm already regretting why I did this for 2 weeks. Like, I really don't know. I already have a lot of shedding and breakage. And guys, can you see this part? Like, it's just a whole mess. I don't know where to start, where to begin from. Anyways, not to worry. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll begin by doing a pre-poo, and I'm going to use my coconut oil. I've just put it in hot water because I want to do hot oil treatment. So that's what I'm going to use on my hair. This treatment prevents the hair from drying out during the actual shampooing process. It does this by forming a protective layer of oil on the hair surface. So other benefits of this treatment includes moisture retention, in that because of the protective layer, so you won't lose all the moisture and all that. Then it also prevents your hair from tangling because the hair will kind of be oily, so tangles if you have tangles, they'll fall out smoothly. Then it also minimizes breakage during the detangling process. It also reduces the frizz, promotes shine in the hair, and also helps in softening the hair. So I'm just going to do this, then wash it out, shampoo. And here I have already shampooed my hair. I've already washed everything out and my hair feels soft. My hair feels so very soft at this point. So yeah, so after the shampooing process, I'm just going to go in and use my DIY protein treatment, guys. So this is it, and if you haven't watched that video on how I made it, I'll leave it up here so that you can go watch it. The link will also be in the description box, so you can go ahead and watch it, see how I made it, and then yeah, you can also do it again. So this is it. I'm just going to do this. And one mistake that I made while using this DIY protein treatment was that I didn't sieve it, guys. So that's a mistake that I made. So all the fibers that I got from the products that I used were left in my hair, which isn't as good as such. So that's a thing that I'll tell you to make sure you check out. You have to sieve your protein treatment. If you're going to make this protein treatment, you have to sieve it after that. I am using all natural products to make these protein treatment masks, so you can go ahead and watch that video, make it for yourself, and I can assure you that this will promote healthier hair growth, and it will also promote stronger hair because of the ingredients such as protein that is in the mask. So yeah, I'm just going to continue doing this, then I'll cover it all up after I'm done with applying to all the strands. I'll cover it up with a shower cap, then I'll also put on my head wrap or just a scarf to help retain the moisture. Then I'll leave it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, then come back and rinse it again. Then I'll continue the actual process. So make sure you just watch to the very end. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you do that. Leave a comment in the comment section and do like this video. So this is the result after washing my hair, and all the fibers are still stuck on my hair, which looks kind of disgusting, but not to worry, they will fall out after my hair has dried up. So this is the time that I'm also going to section off my hair, and it's another mistake that I made. I didn't section my hair from the start, and these, I think I have some more tangles on my hair, but not to worry, we'll work that out. So I'm just going to section my hair, and I'll also section the nape, the crown of my head separately. Then I'll go off, sleep, and come back tomorrow. So on the second day of my wash day, I'm just going to apply my conditioner. I've already conditioned my hair, and this is the only time that I'm going to use my wide tooth comb to detangle my hair and remove all the tangles from my hair. And guys, I love this process because at this point my hair feels so soft, and my hair has sleep, so I'm also avoiding tangles. I'm avoiding breakage as much as I can, and yeah, I just love this process. Make sure when you are working on your natural hair, you take all the time, or just allocate time for you so that you can work on your hair and minimize all the breakage. So this is the hair that I lost, and yeah, so that's all of it. Then after that, I'll rinse out the conditioner, and this is the final result, guys. You can just see how my hair looks like. It feels so soft, and my scalp is clean, apart from the fiber strands that I still have on my hair, but they will fall out. So I'm going to seal off my hair and to seal in the moisture by using my coconut oil. Then after that, I'll just go ahead, use my Paris oil, and that will do the work for me. I don't use a lot of products during my wash day, and that works fine for me. You don't have to break the bank. Your routine doesn't have to be so expensive and time consuming and everything. So that's it. I'm just going to give my head tender love and care, do the massages and everything, and that's it. So if you enjoyed the video, kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, and make sure you comment. So until next time, bye guys.